How to add gift card in Grubhub app. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the Grubhub app. After you are in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Once you are logged in, you will see this kind of app interface. Now, in order to add gift card, you need to go to your settings first. Here in this home screen, at the bottom right corner, you can see the accounts icon. Tap on it. Once you are in your account settings page, here you can see the gift card option. Tap on it. In this gift card page, you need to select this redeem a gift card option over here. Now you will be prompted to add a new gift card page. From here you can add a gift card into your account. You can tap on this field. You can enter the gift card code over here. Once you are done, you can tap on this add to my account button and the gift card will be added to your account. That's how you can easily add and redeem the new gift card. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.